Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Mark Wayne, and today you're going to be learning how to customize these black Air Force Ones. So the first thing that you do need is a pair of shoes.
And the items that you will be needing will be, well, you don't really need this. I'm using this so I can speed up the process. But this is a heat gun. Your sandpaper, doesn't matter what type of sandpaper you get, just sand it down. 100% acetone. You can find it at Walmart. Your glue, your shoe, cotton balls, X-Acto knife, your paintbrush, your tape, and most importantly, your glitter. Now let's start customizing our shoe.
All right, guys, now that we got our acetone out the way and our laces off, now it's time to sand our shoes.
This is how they're supposed to look. This is the one that's taped. I also did one without tape. Whenever you get a little bit more advanced, then you could do it like this yourself too. It's a lot quicker, but use the tape to be safe. So now that you're done doing all your sanding, now guess what time it is? It's time for your glitter. Here is what I want to be using today. It's extra fine polyester glitter. We're going to be using these shoes, obviously. I want to be doing both of them, but you're not going to see me doing this one. You're going to just see me do this one. You're going to also need paper. I forgot to mention that earlier at the beginning. Paper is for your glitter. So when you're shaking your glitter on your shoe, it'll catch the glitter that falls. And then it's basically like a recycle thing. You just pick it up, pour it right back on, and now it falls on this paper. And then after it falls on that paper, you can pick this paper up, put this one back down, and basically pour it back on top and keep recycling the circle, so you don't keep using up all your glitter. But This is the fabric paint. This is fabric paint. I got black because this is a black shoe, so I tend to use fabric paint or Mod Podge. The Mod Podge is real thin, but this is kind of thick, but it's thin also. I just think this is a little better because this is rubber-ish, so it has more of a flex. Mod Podge is just stiff, so I'd rather this because it has more flex. So, but yeah, let's get to it. Okay, what we're doing is we're gonna coat this whole shoe with a coat of the fabric paint, and we're gonna hit the whole shoe. You can either do it, you can do it in portions if you want to. You just want to do this part of the shoe, or if you want to do it around the swoosh, or if you want to do it over here, or it just depends. Go where you go, feel comfortable at, and once you feel comfortable there, that's where you take off and just let the art go. But do a coat first. Like this. This is what I do. I coat it first. So the next time I get ready to throw it on there, it'll stick.
All right, guys, now that we're done with our shoe, it's only one thing that we can do now, and that is check out our shoe. Let's go for it. Man, these things came out fire. Look at them. Only stars shine in the darkness. Look at this. But hey guys, I'm about done with this video. And I hope you learned something. But do me one favor. Like and subscribe. It would really help out the channel. Other than that, Mark Wayne Designs will be back at you. Till next time. Peace.